What's good, YouTube? It's Lord Shift back at it again with another banger video. And as you can see by the title, man, we're gonna be taking a Dodge Charger RT through the trenches. We gonna make this thing scream. We gonna go crazy in the hood for them. So, cause I know, you know, them hood cats, they love them Hemis. So we gonna try to go crazy for them on this fine Sunday. We gonna have loud downshifts and all. So just stay tuned to the end. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. And let's get straight to it. And by the way, guys, this ain't nothing but a motivational video, man. Because I know when I was a youngin' in the hood, I would see nice cars and I'd be like, damn, like, hopefully one day I can get that. Hopefully I don't get pulled over or nothing like that. But we gonna try to make this thing scream, like I said. So stay tuned to the end, man. All right, y'all, we making our way to the hood now. And I had a couple questions to ask y'all real quick. For one, like, how y'all feel about my POV drives? I was trying not to flood a lot of POVs on my channel, but I noticed like they been getting a lot of traction. Like a lot of people have been messing with them, so I'm gonna just continue to do them. And I know y'all probably hate that I'm doing this on my phone with one hand right now, but I'm gonna get a GoPro soon. Don't worry, that's coming. We gonna redo all this. We're gonna have a whole bunch of POV drives of the newest GoPro out. We are making our way to the hood right now. We in it pretty much. I ain't gonna have my windows all the way down. It's pretty cold. I'm really hoping it's not gonna rain on us neither. It looked like it's starting to rain a little bit. Matter of fact, let me go in track mode for y'all. You already know the deal. Track mode. Traction all the way off. There we go. I know these potholes is crazy out here. So I ain't gonna speed. I'm gonna just be loud as hell. Bro, all the way in the street. I'm gonna need gas soon too. I'm only down to 93 miles. Speaking of gas, hopefully y'all checked out my last video of how much it costs to fill up a Dodge Charger RT. Show love to that, share it out. Like, comment, subscribe on that video. I'm hoping there's no cops out. Approaching a tunnel. She sound good. God, bro, why is it starting to drizzle? Let me know what other POV drives y'all want me to do though. If y'all want me to cut up on the highway again, if y'all want me to do a part 2 in the hood, I'll go to a different area in my city. Damn, bro, thought he almost hit me. Bro on a Elantra gotta get away from me. Bro was driving crazy, swerving and shit. I also do gotta do a video on how to shift, upshift and downshift. And also somebody had requested to doing a video on like my taser that I got installed, the Z Automotive taser, and like the different features that comes with it and stuff. So I'm gonna do a separate video on that as well. But you know, it's a calm Sunday, so I'm gonna do a little POV drive for y'all. In the trenches, something different. I ain't see that many videos of people doing this. It ain't no scat, it ain't no cat, but the people in the hood, they like them Hemis, so we gonna put on the show for them. We gonna bust a left up here. Once again, I know the pothole is crazy, so I ain't gonna speed or nothing like that. But I'll hit it a little bit in first gear. She just popped, I think. Let me turn the heat off real quick so you can hear it a little better. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And not to mention, I did just hit 2,000 subs yesterday. So I'm gonna drop a banger video for y'all sometime in February when I get my GoPro and stuff. I got something crazy coming for y'all, so we're gonna have a lot of people in it. It's gonna be crazy. Y'all not gonna want to miss it. So turn on post notifications and subscribe to me. It don't look like this is people outside. Normally it's packed. We got some youngins over here scrambling. Stop sign. Pop. Damn. I think sometime in like the spring or when it start getting warmer outside, I might put some long tube headers on this joint. Some long tubes. I want this car to be louder. Way louder than what it is. I'm thinking of going catless and everything. Got the Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk in front of me.
What?
It's like, nah, it's only limited. I low-key want to hit the highway, but I'm gonna make this just a hood POV drive. I ain't gonna go on no highway this video. But if y'all want to see me on a highway cutting up, just go down to the comment section and let me know. We got an old Charger approaching me right now. Hopefully he don't try to test me. It's only a V6. I ain't gonna do nothing with that. We got the police. Hopefully he don't try to get me my front windshield tinted out. Good thing I wasn't speeding or nothing like that. I mean, not like he was gonna catch me anyway. It's like, nah. Let me stop, YouTube. That's not me. I don't run from cops. I don't do none of that. You know what's crazy? When I first started driving, my dad took me to that parking lot right there. That one, over there. We're gonna bust a U-turn. Yeah, my dad took me to that parking lot and he let me drive the BMW. That was like about 7 years ago when I first started driving. Now I'm in a Hemi. I went from a Toyota Camry to an Infiniti G35. And now I'm in a Hemi. My next car gonna be a Track. Either a Trackhawk, SRT Jeep, wide body scat, something crazy like that. So, but as of right now, like the Hellcat prices and stuff been the same prices as the SRT Jeeps and the wide body scats. So I might just have to get a Hellcat. But don't get me wrong, the wide body scats is hard. Especially like a, if I was to get like a brand new one, I feel like it wouldn't be bad. Damn, cuz speeding. Bro got the Eagle sticker on the back windshield. It's not even lined up. It's not even centered. Oh, we got a police. We got the cop. We got 12. Can he catch me though? It's like, nah. Yo, I gotta chill out. That's not me. That's not my body. It's not what I do. You know what? Why not get a little pull in? Track mode. 40. Let's do 40 to 100. We got another scat. I think that was a scat. We're not gonna go to 100. We just gonna go to 80. 100 is crazy. I'm gonna end up getting pulled over. I probably could have hit 100 though. I'm gonna need some more gas in a second. I'm at 88 miles on a half a tank. Starting to rain. Like the rain keeps stopping and starting, bro. I'm definitely going to have to remake this POV in the summertime when it's active out here. I don't know why there's so much traffic right now. Go around this dude. I be a little scared of hitting them Johns. You know I'm lowered, so my lip could break at any moment with them little dips they got on these freaking roads. Rita sound mad good right now. Sadly, they closed. Bust it right real quick. Pothole. Ah. God. Cop right there. Alright, y'all, this was a little short video of me driving through the hood. Wasn't nothing crazy, man, but I'm definitely looking forward to making a video like this again when I get my GoPro. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Thank you guys for helping me hit 2,000 subscribers. I definitely got to make a banger video for y'all. Since you guys helped me hit 2,000 subs, I'm going to make a crazy video for y'all. I'm just waiting on my GoPro. Soon as that GoPro touch down, it is reps. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch y'all in the next video, man.